There's an amazing feature in Affinity by Canva which I think you need to know. It's very simple and easy to use. So let's switch to vector, and then on your toolbar there's a tool here called the node tool. All right, so this tool helps you to remove unwanted portions on a shape you have drawn. All right, okay, so now let's grab the rectangle tool and then select the ellipse tool, and then let's deselect this one, the fill color. So I want to use a stroke. All right, and then let's increase the size. Okay, so now let's say I want a semicircle of this. I want to add this text to it. Let me change this color to red, so something like this. So the first thing you need to do is to convert this circle here into curves. So you make sure you select it and then you right click, and then you can see the option here, convert to curves. With your node tool selected, you press and hold Control on your keyboard and then you click. So if it's this part I don't want, I just press and hold Control and then you click. Okay, so this is basically how to use the node tool to remove segments on a shape you have drawn. If you found this video helpful, I want you to kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel to stay updated for more content and more tips in Affinity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.